Hey there, and welcome to our Explainer. Today, we're diving into a course that's all about the world you're living in right now and the future you're helping to build, the IB Digital Society course. So let's just jump right in and figure out what this is all about, and more importantly, what it means for you.
So this is the big question, right? It's about way more than just passing another class. It's really about getting you ready for a world that's, well, it's changing all the time, thanks to technology. And over the next few minutes, we're going to lay out exactly how.
So probably the easiest way to wrap your head around this course is to picture it as a journey. Seriously, a road trip. It's this path that's laid out to help you connect all the dots, from where you are right now to where you absolutely need to be to succeed in our digital world.
And yeah, this image right here, this is basically our roadmap. So look, over on the left, that's you right now. Your skills, your curiosity, everything you're bringing to the table. And then, way over on the right, those are your destinations. The big project, the exams, and yeah, your future. That road in the middle, that's what we're going to talk about.
Okay, so here's what makes this whole journey so cool. The big question is, who's in control? Well, in this course, you're the one in the driver's seat. This isn't some tour bus where you just look out the window. That's exactly right. The whole idea here is empowerment. It's all about you taking responsibility for your own learning. You're not just sitting back and listening. You are actively involved in this. So what does being responsible for your learning actually look like? Well, it means you're in charge of the what, the big ideas, the content, and also the how. You're building your own toolbox for learning. It's about seeing how this stuff connects to your other subjects, using digital tools for your own projects, and most importantly, constantly asking yourself that big question: how is this all going to shape my future?
All right, so if you're the driver, you need road signs, right? You need a way to navigate. Well, the course gives you 3 really important guides to keep you on track.
First up, we've got concepts. Honestly, think of these as your GPS. They're the big bird's-eye view ideas, things like identity, power, ethics. They help you make sense of this huge, sometimes confusing relationship between technology and society. Next, there's content. And if the concepts are your GPS, then the content is the actual road you're driving on. It's the real-world stuff, the case studies, the examples you're going to dig into. We're talking everything from how social media affects politics to the ethics of AI. This is where it all gets very, very real. And rounding it out, we have contexts. So GPS, road, what's left? Well, contexts are like the local traffic laws or the weather. They're the specific situations, whether it's in your town or on a global scale, that completely change how technology works. It's knowing that you can't drive the same way in a city as you do on a country road. Okay, so you're in the driver's seat, you've got your GPS, you know the terrain, you're watching the local conditions. So, where are you actually going? What are the destinations on this trip?
Well, your journey has some really important stops. I mean, sure, you've got the immediate ones, right? The inquiry project, the final exams. But look past those for a second. The real destinations, the end of the road trip, are being future-ready and developing lifelong learning. See, this course isn't just about getting a grade. It's about who you become because of it.
And that right there, that brings us to the whole point of this journey. It's all about looking ahead at the horizon and figuring out your place in a world that is just getting more and more digital every single day. This quote, this really just says it all, doesn't it? This is not just some assignment. It's a challenge. A challenge for you to really think about and even critique the role technology is going to play in your life. It's about you being the architect of your future, not just someone watching it happen. And so here we are right back where we started. The roadmap is laid out, the keys are in your hand, the destinations are on the horizon. There's really only one question left to ask. The road is right there in front of you. Are you ready to take the wheel?